Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic acquisitions and mergers for July month. It will be an important session for you all students, so stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is, mark the correct statement regarding the Competition Commission of India approval for July 2026. Among the following, if we see, all the three options are rightly mentioned here. DWS Group and KGA, they acquired 40% stake in Nippon Life India Alternative Investment Fund valued around 733 crore rupees. Second is Aditya Birla Group led consortium acquired 100% shareholding in Royal Challengers Bangalore for 16,660 crore rupees. Then following the RCSPL acquisition, Aryaman Vikram Birla was appointed as the chairman and Satyan Gajwani as vice chairman of franchise. So all three options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the bank whose India retail, private banking and wealth management business was acquired by Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited in July for around 281.7 crore rupees. Right option, Deutsche Bank. Next, name the public sector bank undertaking that signed an agreement in July to acquire 40% stake in Tiki Tar and Shell India Private Limited for 85 crore rupees. So, it is BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next, students, identify the Maratna PSU in which July 2026 acquired 100% stake in IBV Brazil Petróleo Limited through its overseas arm BPRL Ventures, that is Bharat Petro Reserve Limited Ventures BV, for a deal worth 2312 crore rupees, making it a wholly owned subsidiary. So identify that Maratna, it is BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next, identify the bank that announced the acquisition of 10% stake in National Housing Bank in the Residential Mortgage-Backed Securitization Development Company Limited in June 2026. Right option, SBI, State Bank of India. Next, which global alternative asset management firm signed a definitive agreement in July 26 to acquire 100% stake in Asim Infrastructure Finance Limited from National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? It is TPG Incorporation. Next, UK's insurance giant Avia PLC became the first foreign insurer to fully own the Indian insurance life insurance business by acquiring the remaining 26% stake in Avia Life Insurance Company Limited from their joint venture partner Dabur Invest Corp. Following this, in which month and year did the Government of India allow 100% FDI in the insurance sector? This is the main question, that in which year did Government of India allow the 100% FDI in the insurance sector? So right option, it is in May 2026. Next, what percentage of the stake did State Bank of India sell in SBI Funds Management Limited through a pre-IPO placement in July 2026? So it was 1.42% stake. Next, name the housing finance company whose acquisition by Aryan Group for rupees 936 crore rupees was approved by RBI in July 26, marking a key step in the insolvency resolution process. So name that housing finance company. Which is it? It is Aviom India Housing Finance. Next, the Competition Commission of India under Ministry of Corporate Affairs approved the proposed merger of Go Digit Infoworks Service Private Limited with whom? It was with Go Digit Insurance Limited. Right? Take a note. Don't get confused with the option third here, as I did. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now let's move to the revision part that will be helpful for you all. Following the conclusion of the group stage of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup in England, ICC confirmed that the Indian women's cricket team secured direct qualification for what? They secured the direct qualification for 2028 LA Olympic Games. Next, Which team has won the 2026 ICC Women's T20 World Cup by defeating England in the final held at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London in July? So which team won it? It was won by Australia, right? So ICC Women's T20 World Cup was won by whom? It was won by Australia, right? Take a note of this. And this is their 7th time. This is their 7th title. That is 7th time they have won this World Cup. Correct, students? They defeated whom? They defeated England in the finals. Where was the event held? The event was held at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London. This is the location that you need to take a note of. Next, students, who became India's youngest international cricket debutant at 15 years and 99 days, breaking Sachin Tendulkar's 36-year-old record during his T20 international debut against England at Old Trafford, Manchester, England in July. So we all know the famous cricketer Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He has broken Sachin Tendulkar's record of the youngest cricketer. He also broke Shefali Verma's record, India's youngest overall international debut at 15 years of age and 239 days. Next, identify the city where under 15 and under 20 Asian Wrestling Championship organized by United Nations Wrestling were held, in which Indian wrestlers secured 21 medals in the under 15 category and 20 medals in the under 20 category. So right option, Pattaya, Thailand. Right, students? Next. In July, 17-year-old Ashwath S. from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu became India's 98th Grandmaster. So question can be asked that Ashwath Surya, he is of what age? 17 years. He is from which state? He is from Tamil Nadu. And he became which number of Grandmaster? He became the 98th Grandmaster from India. Next, name the driver who won the F1 Pirelli British Grand Prix held at the Silverstone circuit in Northern Sphere, England, marking the first victory of 2026 F1 series and Ferrari's 250th F1 Grand Prix triumph. So name that driver. Right option, Charles Leclerc. Right? And if we talk about this, the podium finishers, Mercedes driver George Russell secured 2nd position and Ferrari's driver Lewis Hamilton secured 3rd position. Then next is name that state that will host 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. So this is the 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games sponsored by Union Minister Mansukh Mandviya. Right? So name that state that will host this 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. So it is Telangana that will be hosting the 8th edition of Khelo India Youth Games. Next, students, name the Indian cricketer who was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame during the annual conference in July in Edinburgh, Scotland, becoming the 12th Indian overall and 10th Indian male cricketer to receive the honour. Right option, Sourav Ganguly. The honour conferred on his 54th birthday made Ganguly the 12th Indian overall and 10th Indian male cricketer to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. Next, students, find the team defeated by Indian women's cricket team in the first ever women's test at the Lord's Cricket Ground in London in July. So find the team defeated by the Indian women's cricket team. Right option, it is England. Right? Next. In July, ICC, they inducted Anjum Chopra, the former Indian women's cricket captain, and Kevin Patterson, the former England captain, into the ICC Hall of Fame during the annual conference in Edinburgh, Scotland. With their induction, the total number of ICC Hall of Fame inductees reached what? It reached 125. Here, Anjum Chopra. If we talk about her, Anjum Chopra, she is 3rd Indian women, correct, and 13th overall Indian to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. So these were your important sports related current affairs, students. Now let's move to some other. Okay, there are other questions. Let's cover them first. First is 2026 Asian Under-23 Athletics Championship, the inaugural edition. Inaugural edition means this is the first ever edition of it, right? This inaugural edition of the International Athletics Competition held at where? It was held in Ordos, China. So this is under 23 athletics championship of 2026 held in Ordos, China, and this is the first edition of it. Here in this, India, we secured 4th in the medal tally with a total of 16 medals.